Okay guys, what I've got here is a marketing agency theme, and it's already pre-populated. You can see here it's got services for social media campaign, for Facebook ads, for SEO ranking, etc. I mean, if I open these up, these are already done, these are already filled out. Okay, web development, it's a good one. If I just open these up, and my computer's running a little bit slow because I've got Camtasia and I've actually got some software working in the background, etc. You can see everything's filled in here. All you've got to do is go and put in your own PayPal account details. Okay, this is really nicely done. This one is for Facebook ads. This page here for website development. Okay, come down a little bit. This is really nice, professional. Look at this. Very, very good. And the guy behind this theme, he actually does very, very good training. He's actually taken a lot of students and made them profitable selling websites. That is built from his local business themes. Okay, so he's got themes for plumbers and chiropractors and advertising agency, all that kind of stuff he's got. Okay, and you can see it's really nicely done, really professionally done. If we come into that home page again, here, if I start to scroll down, you can see actually we've got a blog here, we've got gallery, we've got about page, home page, contact, etc. And start to scroll down, and it's really beautifully done. You don't even need to change anything here. You can use the same video, the same text if you want, or just change it a little bit if you want. Imagine how long it would take you to do that. We tried to do something like that last year. It took ages. We were never happy with anything, but this is really nicely, professionally done. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how you can get it for free. Well, not exactly for free, it's as a bonus. Okay, but even better is that I've integrated this theme, this template. Okay, we are integrating it with WordPress Alpha. Okay, so with WordPress Alpha, what we can do is in 3 clicks you can deploy a site that looks exactly like this, a clone of this site. Okay, it's a template, it will clone this, and I've already done settings for the SEO, for GDPR, for site speed, and some other things in the background as well. There's a bunch of plugins already pre-configured. There's another bunch of plugins that I couldn't configure for you because it needs your own customization, your own personalization kind of thing. So you need to do those, but I'll run through it with you how to do it. Okay, so you've got within minutes, a nice professional looking marketing agency website looking like this. Okay, perfect. If you've already got some agency site, put this on a PBN site. Okay, use it for linking into as a PBN. Just use it for linking into your main site if you want to, and that's what I would do with this. And it's really good. It's really, really good. Okay, so by being able to use deploy this with WordPress Alpha, what you will be able to do, if I come over here, you will have a settings like this. You can see I've got one site up called Local Buzz Marketing London. That's not using this template, but I'm actually going to rebuild this site and put that template on it because it's very, very good. This one's actually got another one of this guy's themes on it. It's for advertising agency, but I much prefer this marketing agency one. It's much, much better. And you can see here when you deploy with WordPress Alpha, you can set the HTTPS on one click. You can set the DNS if you've got your API set up for Namecheap or GoDaddy or whatever. Okay, you can even set it up with the Cloudflare API key, and you can get all these details here: your email, username, password, etc. FTP if you want to use FTP to upload some stuff or whatever. Come down a little bit, and you can see we've got some updates here. I can update all my plugins in one click from here, and my WordPress themes, and even the version of WordPress I can update from here as well. Okay. Okay, so all of that is all possible in 3 clicks, just using WordPress Alpha. So all you would do is you would come in and you put in your domain name. You would choose from the drop-down menu, which I'll show you in a second, the type of site, which you're going to choose marketing agency, and it would create the site in a database, etc. And then you would go into the DNS settings, and you would set your DNS for Namecheap or GoDaddy or Cloudflare, whichever you prefer to work with. Okay, and then you would log into WordPress, log into the site. When you're logged in, you click on this HTTPS enabled, refresh the page you're logged in. It should be logged out by then, and when you log back in again, you will see the secure SSL certificate is attached properly. It will have that secure padlock with HTTPS on your domain name. Okay, so nice and easy. Okay, so what I suggest you do is, you go and buy an expired domain. If I go into Spamzilla, for example, okay, and I type in here marketing, okay, and I'm looking for marketing websites, and you can do this for SEO, for social media, for agency. You can try different sort of searches in here. Now I've sorted this by the amount of backlinks. Okay, now the good thing about Spamzilla is it not only finds expired domains, and it not only gives you all this different information like trust flow, citation flow. What I'm interested in is the amount of backlinks and the amount of referring domains. That to me is far, far more important than the trust flow and the citation flow here. That can change. That's just their educated guess. My educated guess is higher the amount of backlinks with referring domains is a pretty good indication, in combination with the Spamzilla score. Okay, because they've got their own algorithm in the background. Okay, and they will tell you if something is clean that they recommend. Okay, and you can see this one here. I've sorted this by the backlinks. Come down, and they're saying this is clean. Come over here, you can see the URL or the domain you can buy, search-marketing.co. Okay, it's got nearly 22,000 backlinks coming from 325 referring domains, and they're saying it's clean. I mean, how easy is that? $10, go and buy it, or however much it costs for a .co domain, and you can put that into WordPress Alpha. All you would do is you would log into WordPress Alpha. You would create an account here. You would log in. Okay, when you've logged in, you come down to the left hand side, and the license here, you will click on that tab. You will put the license key that we give you in there, and it's going to tell you what you got your license for. It's going to say marketing agency. Okay, when you see that, then you can come up here and you can put in your domain name. So for example, if I had bought that one, searchmarketing.co, I would put it in exactly like this, and then from the drop down menu you would choose in here marketing agency. Okay, I haven't added it yet. Okay, I've just finished configuring the actual website, okay, with the settings and the SEO settings and GDPR and site speed and Smush and all those kind of plugins. I've just been configuring that. I've just finished it now. But the thing is, right now we got some limitations because that launch is due to finish in a couple of days. So I thought I'd better get this video out. What you will find in here is marketing agency. You would choose that template. You will not be able to use any other template with that particular license. Okay, and here you can choose a server location. You need to have a DigitalOcean account with this, okay, for it to work. Or if you want to wait about a week, we will have some other options. The first one going to be, I think, Namecheap. We had some issues trying to get Contabo attached in here, but we will try it with Namecheap WHM resellers account, so you can use that, which is also good if you're using WordPress Alpha anyway for the local biz alpha sites, etc. Okay, now what you will see with this when you log in is that you can do all your updates and stuff for your plugins and everything in here, and if you have a problem with any of your sites, you can come and restart the server, restart the database or PHP, etc. And you can even delete the site if you want to down here, okay, should you ever want to. And you got all the stuff here that you need for FTP, etc. So you can do pretty much what you would normally do with any website, and you've got some good options there to help you to update your website. Okay, and if you want to, use DigitalOcean, it's very, very good hosting. You can see here we've got a whole bunch of these in here. What you will see later is more of these appearing for the templates. You can only use the template we give you as a bonus for the marketing agency, but if you wanted to come into WordPress Alpha later, you will see that you can buy licenses for local biz alpha, for expired domain alpha, for auto blog sites, for product review sites. We will add in next week some AdSense. I think we're pretty much ready to do one for AdSense, and also we will add one as well for Amazon as well, for Amazon associates, Amazon affiliates, and we'll just keep adding more, hopefully some news, auto blog stuff as well. And often what I will be doing is I'll be talking to people who are creating these kind of plugins and themes that I can work with, and we can use the WordPress Alpha as an engine behind it, so that it's very quick and very easy to knock these sites out. Okay, so if I can do a deal with those people like I've done with Ruben for this, then we can do that. Now what I've got, the deal I've got with Ruben right now is that I will offer this as a test, as a bonus for anybody who purchases local site score from my affiliate link. Okay, you cannot get this anywhere else. Okay, the WordPress Alpha template will be in here hopefully later today. It might take 24-48 hours before we can send your license key and you'll be able to go and deploy your site. Don't fret, it will be okay. It's coming. I've literally just finished doing the configuration for the actual template with the plugins, etc. So it's coming. I'm just waiting for my coder then to add it as a template in here, so that when you have a drop down here you can deploy the site from here. That's all we're waiting for now. Okay, so local site scope, what is it? Basically it is a collection of local business themes. Okay, he's got themes and landing pages, and it's really good. If you come up here you can see he does 10 professionally designed niche specific layouts. Okay, so he's got sites for or he's got niches like dentists and chiropractors and advertising agencies, etc., and each volume he does has got like 10 different niches that he uses. Okay, so he's got one-click design import. This will not be done via WordPress Alpha. I haven't got the rights to add those to WordPress Alpha. I do have the rights to add this as a bonus. That's what I've agreed with Ruben, who's the vendor, who's the seller. Okay, these themes have got like 50 pre-built pages, and it's the same guy that's done this. It's very high quality. It's all done with Elementor. Okay, very good quality. They look good, and you can sell this. And he has got training. Okay, he's trained a lot of students how to go and sell website services, and they're charging anything I think from $500 to $1,999, something like that. And they're doing very well. Some of them are doing really well. The go-getters are doing pretty well. Okay, and he's teaching them how to do it, how to reach out, how to connect with people, how to sell to people who are looking for those services. And believe me, there's still tons and tons of people looking for services that just don't know how to do it, and they hate to use services or platforms like Upwork, where you get like 50 people applying at one time. If you can just show them something that takes you literally a few minutes to put together, then because these nice professional themes like a demo site, and say to them, look, I can sell this to you for 500, 750, let me know. You're going to catch their attention. They can see exactly what they're getting, and then you're open for upsells. Okay, he teaches all that kind of stuff, and he's pretty good at that kind of stuff teaching. Okay, and we come down a little bit, and you can see the funnel as well. Okay, so it's $21 for the front end, and you will get 10 different themes, 10 different local business themes. And the OTO one is the landing pages. These are actually really good quality, these landing pages. I like them. Okay, so to get this marketing agency template with WordPress Alpha, so you've got one site install and you've got a complete marketing agency in 3 clicks. 1 click to deploy the site, 2nd click to set your DNS settings with Namecheap or GoDaddy. Okay, the 3rd click to enable the SSL, so you have HTTPS. Okay, and you've got your site up. That's it, you have your site up. Okay, if you buy an expired domain, you can get an expired domain, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 links already. That is clean. If you use Spamzilla, you can go and check that out. Very good tool, Spamzilla. I like it very much. Okay, so if you buy the front end and the OTO, you will get this marketing agency theme, and you can deploy it in 3 clicks. Okay, so that's the offer. It's very well done. Now, if you have bought local sites go from my link this week, then let me know. Okay, just let me know. Just reach out, send me your receipt, and once I confirm with Ruben that you bought from my link, because there's a lot of people who've been buying this, it sells very well. The local sites go. It's becoming more and more popular with every volume. So just make sure that you bought it from my link and send your receipt, and then I'll confirm it, or Tanya will confirm it with Ruben, and we will give you your license key. But do give us up to 48 hours. I'm waiting for my coder to add this marketing template that I've just pre-configured all the plugins in the back end. Well, some of them I can't pre-configure all of them. Okay, it's got permalinks, it's got like I think about 100 ping sites added, it's got the GDPR, all that kind of stuff is done. It's ready. Okay, ready just for basic customization, and you have your website up. Okay, so all of that you can get in 3 clicks if you purchase the front end and the OTO one. Okay, so altogether it's costing you about $40. Now I've bought on Flipper sites that look not even as good as this. Okay, not even as good as this, and I paid sometimes $75 or sometimes $99. I used to use them as bonuses. That's why I used to buy them. I used to use them as bonuses on promotions. This is far better, and plus you can get it with the WordPress Alpha install, so it's really easy to get it installed for you. Okay, and the plugins are pre-configured. I mean, how easy can it be? Okay, so just purchase front end OTO one, and you can have that agency theme with the one site license, and you can deploy it with WordPress Alpha. Thanks.